Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a brand new and super simple way to get Bybit on your laptop in 2025. If you've been wanting a clean desktop style version of Bybit without keeping a browser tab open all the time, this method is perfect. Stick with me. This takes less than a minute and works flawlessly. Alright, let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial, but the steps are the same on any laptop that supports Chrome apps. In the address bar, type bybit.com and hit enter. Make sure you land on the official website. You should see the Bybit logo and that little secure lock icon next to the URL. That's how you know you're in the right place. Once the site loads, go up to the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, scroll down to the section that says Cast, Save, and Share. Under that, you'll see an option that says Install Page as App. Go ahead and click that. A small pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to install the Bybit app. Just hit install. Chrome will instantly create a standalone version of Bybit and open it in its own dedicated window. No tabs, no clutter, just a clean app-like interface right on your laptop. Well, at this point, you can make it even easier to access. Simply right-click the Bybit icon on your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. Now it's always just one click away. And if you check your desktop, you'll see Chrome has also added a shortcut for you. You can double click at any time to jump right back into trading. No browser required. And that's all there is to it. You now have Bybit installed as a desktop app on your laptop, fast and functional. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you want guides on other platforms or tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.